Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by cleaning and assessing the locks so you know what to fix. Wash with a residue-free clarifying, shampoo 48 to 72 hours before work to remove buildup. This helps hooking and tightening. Once done, section the hair into manageable squares and clip away the rest. Use a rat tail comb to isolate loose dreads and write down thin or weak areas. Make sure to have a 0.50, 75 mm crochet hook and a towel nearby, because immediate tightening prevents matting and uneven tension later. You'll proceed by tightening and rebuilding each dread systematically. Start at the root and work downward so tension is uniform. You want consistent density from scalp to tip. Insert the crochet hook into the loose area, catch small loops of hair, and pull them into the core. Repeat 6 to 10 passes for weak spots. Once the core feels solid, retwist or palm roll the length to smooth the surface, and finish by sealing with a small amount of light oil to reduce frizz and protect the newly tightened fibers. You'll complete the job by tidying and monitoring results. Trim any stray hairs and tidy the ends so dreads look uniform. Apply a light hold product only if needed to control flyaways. Make sure to check your scalp for irritation and allow 24 to 48 hours of rest between intense sessions to prevent breakage. If gaps or very thin locks persist after tightening, consider partial resection or consult a professional. This avoids damage and gives you options such as reinforcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.